Welcome to Quantum Finance. My name is Parker. I'm the head trader here, and this is our day trading recap for Tuesday, August 1st. So starting here on our market internals quad, we'll start here at our volume difference. As you can see, a lot of red coming across the board today, indicating that there is a lot more selling coming in. So that is a good way to identify that the market is going to be weak, especially when you get this much selling here off the rip. Looking down here at our ad, which is our advancing and decliners, as you can see, well below that zero line here in the negative, meaning there was a lot more stocks gapping down from yesterday's close. And if we do look here at our VIX, as you can see, nice gap up in the VIX, which is a sign of strength, and it did have a nice support level here from this level from yesterday to pull into to find as support. So looking at our internals going into today, after seeing that off the open, we were pretty bearish, looking for puts on the day. So now we can turn to our analysis quad. We'll start up here at the 3-minute. So as you can see, we did have that gap down this morning, and then we did have that nice ascending channel, which is a bearish reversal pattern. Typically, when you do have patterns to the upside, it is a reversal pattern to the opposite direction. As you can see, that's exactly what we got with a trade line VWAP cross to the downside when we did break down out of that pattern. And we did also have a 3-minute squeeze with downward momentum. You look here at the 5-minute, we also had a 5-minute squeeze, and then as you see, just this really long 15-minute squeeze as well. What I do want to point out about this is that we have been squeezed for almost 2 whole trading days. So, I might expect some type of large volatility event to happen. If you do look at our daily chart here, as you can see, last week we had these 2 super volatile days. And as you see, to start this week, they have been extremely small. And that is why we do have this big squeeze here on the 15-minute, which typically is a way to identify that there is going to be a larger move coming. So definitely be watching out for that. But we can go to our 1-minute chart, where we do execute our trades. So as you can see, we did have that nice bearish reversal pattern forming here. So when it comes to buying puts with these bearish market internals, when you do buy puts, you either want to buy into the strength or buy into the pattern breakdown. So what you could have done this morning, when you see these nice moves up here, these strong pushes off the open, you could have started building your position into this one, buying more into this, or if you wanted to be more patient and get a better, more of a confirmation entry, you could have bought these puts here on this breakdown of this pattern and that breakdown below VWAP. But for this analysis of the trade, we're just going to say you were more conservative and playing it smart and waiting on this confirmation of this bearish reversal pattern to play out. We'll say you got short right here at about 10, 11, right? So we were looking at the 456, today's expiration strike put options. If you do look over here at the left of the screen, you can see we have these pulled up here. So we'll say you're getting in here at that breakdown. We'll call it about 50 cents. If I can get it, there we go. 50 cents. And as you can see, that move to the lows, you're looking at a solid 111% gain on these put options. So really nice move here to take advantage of these bearish market internals and the underlying weakness here that we had in the market this morning. But when it comes to taking profit, right, you definitely want to take profit, down here towards the lows, and then definitely start taking profit, or just completely get out once you really get a nice extension there towards the lows. As you can see here, we did have another strong uptrend, which you could have taken advantage of, maybe just for another quick short. The market was looking a little bit stronger. The NASDAQ was back above VWAP, so you wouldn't expect the overall market to make new lows on the day when you do have technology kind of showing strength. But this was, a bearish pattern as well, a bearish trend reversal into that VWAP area. And, you could have just got this for a nice little quick down, move to that lower 15-minute extreme. Let me show you what I'm talking about here on our analysis tab. As you can see, this 15-minute extreme down here, that is what we did come down and pull into. As you can see, that's that candle we were referring to here. On this, if you look up here at the 3-minute, you can see that trend breakdown here. And it did come down and touch that lower 15-minute extreme. So that could have been a nice place, for a quick scalp trade, for just a follow-up to take advantage of the weakness in the overall stock market. But yeah, what I was referring to earlier with this big 15-minute squeeze, you definitely want to keep an eye on this, because when this breaks out, this is one of the longest squeezes I've seen, in a long time. We can just zoom out pretty far here. You can see all the different squeezes and stuff. This is by far the longest squeeze we've had in quite a while. So, that's definitely a sign that there's definitely going to probably be a large move, coming up soon here over the next couple of days. So we definitely want to take advantage of that when it comes, make some nice trades and get some good profit in. But yeah, good day for puts today. Take advantage of that internal weakness in the market. So that'll do it for the video. Appreciate y'all watching, and I will talk to y'all later.